Good evening, sir.
How are you today?
We are feeling fantastic.
So today we are here to discuss about a very important topic, and that is related with the help of everyone. There are so many streams of medicine, and two of them are extremely popular these days. One is known as allopathy and the other one is known as Ayurveda. And in India there is always a conflict between these two, because Ayurveda is getting popular day by day these days and allopathy has no match, so it is always popular. But if you go through the ancient India, allopathy was not there, only Ayurveda was there. So these two teams are there with me. This team is going to support Ayurveda and this team is going to support allopathy. So you have to speak whatever you think about it. First you should speak about your goodness, why you are good. Instead of criticizing the others, you should praise yourself first. And when you see someone else point, then you should start criticizing. So are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay, give it to me and you should hold it. So introduce yourself and speak in favor of your point.
Hi, good evening everyone. Myself Ashish Gupta, and I am glad to start first with the topic Ayurveda versus allopathy. And this is a very sensitive and controversial nowadays. So this is a very important topic. And in my opinion, the allopathy is best. Although I respect both pathy, Ayurveda as well as allopathy, but I'm in the favor of allopathy because nowadays it's very popular. And allopathy, you can say that it's a modern science-based things that actually cure and actually famous worldwide, and everyone is preferring the allopathy in the world. And the main benefit of this is the tested and diagnosis, and it's proven. So I'm in the favor of allopathy. That's why I prefer allopathy medicines as well as allopathy surgeries, diagnosis and the technology. Thank you.
Okay, so you have started your pitch and saying that allopathy is better because it is proven and tested, and so many organizations are there. They keep a close watch on all the treatments and certifications are issued, and that's why you support allopathy. We will talk in detail, but what is your pitch? Why do you think that Ayurveda is better?
Hello everyone, my name is Abada Rana, and as the topic given by sir, that is allopathy versus Ayurveda, so I chose to speak on Ayurveda. Okay, so Ayurveda has been in our India since 5,000 years, and as sir said that allopathy has been certified and everything. Same way the Ayurveda has also been certified nowadays, and it has been practiced by people since generations. So yes, Ayurveda does create a greater impact among us, and it is also very effective not only for a short time but also for a very long time. It also cures many of the diseases, not only for the acute period of a time but also for a chronic period of a time. So as said by sir, Ayurvedic is also one of the most ancient techniques, and it has been still used. Also, Ayurvedic is only the thing from which allopathy has been generated. Okay, allopathy has been generated, and all these things have been approved only by after passing through the Ayurveda. So I believe Ayurveda and the herbs and the techniques, whatever the people have used since ancient period of times, have helped us in a lot many ways.
Okay, so that's great for your pitch. Both of you have started speaking and said that each of you are better at their places. So now let's go deep into that, and by giving some examples you should prove that why do you think that your side is better than the others. It's your turn, please speak. Name and then speak.
Good evening, sir. My name is Kuldeep Kumar Ada, and my topic is allopathy. So I think that allopathy is better because in which it gives quick relief, and everyone prefer that when you are suffering from fever, then you prefer to allopathy medicine because it's give quick relief. And in a accidental case, you also go in allopathic doctor because it's quick relief.
Okay, very nice. So he has given two things. It gives quick relief. Second thing is that in accidental or when it comes to surgery, then allopathy has no match with Ayurveda. Right. So one more candidate is with us. Yes, please say something.
Hello everyone, I am Yash and I am in fear of Ayurveda. I think and believe that Ayurveda is better than allopathy because Ayurveda focuses on balancing three nature of human body, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, and maintaining a good life. And as the saying goes that prevention is better than cure, so Ayurveda focuses on the prevention. That if there will be not a disease, then why medicine is needed. So Ayurveda is better because it focuses on our lifestyle and it improves our lifestyle in a way that we are not prone to get diseased. So Ayurveda is much better than allopathy because it focuses on the core, that is our lifestyle.
That's great. That's great. So four of you have spoken something about it. Now go little fierce and try to prove with examples to cut their points and say why you are better. Each of you have 1 minute each to speak.
Yeah, so I will give an example. If you are suffering from fever and you want to take medicine from with allopathy doctor, then doctor always suggests that take a blood test and gives number of blood tests you have to do with the help of any pathology. And after getting the report, then only after diagnosis and understanding what are the issues, what are the unbalance in your blood, which is actually result oriented, and it's actually suggested by the doctors that you have facing this type of illness, and this is actually the real illness which is need this type of cure and this type of medicine, then the doctor recommend you. So these are actually the things which is actually available in allopathy, but it's not in Ayurveda, because the multiple cause may be the reason that you have faced you are suffering from the fever. But in these modern science technology which is actually adopted by the allopathy, it's really identify the actual illness and better cure. So that's why I prefer allopathy.
Okay, at the same time, why do you think that Ayurveda is not that better? Give one of the criticism of them.
Yeah, this is actually, if you face any issue or facing any problem, then if you prefer Ayurveda, then it takes much more time to cure, and it's long term, and the medicines and the doctors is very few available. If you take the example of any city, there are very few hospitals and doctors, and the medical stores are available for Ayurveda. But largely, if you say that allopathy, multiple number of specialized doctors of that illness is available in throughout the city, and number of medical store available, so you can easily get the medicine, and it's not so much complicated that you can get the
treatments are available easily. There are hospitals. If you visit to the whole city anywhere in the world, you will find hospitals for allopathy, but there is no dedicated hospitals for Ayurveda. How would you manage it?
Okay, so well said by sir that there are not that good places for Ayurvedic treatment and everything, but that's the reason now why we need to develop the Ayurveda in our country. If we all think like that, we have to cure our illness, we have to do this, we have to cure this, then we will, as youth, we will move to a phase of devastation, because we are getting untouched by our roots. We are getting what are we teaching our juniors, what are we teaching the younger ones, hai na? We have to teach them that you have to be hygiene, you have to maintain a proper, as said by my ally, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. We have to maintain all these three things. So if we all think about this like this, in this manner, that we have to cure it easily, then this will lead a very chronic impact on us, and it will leave us very devastated in all the situations. So that's why I believe that Ayurveda has to be promoted. Being a very educated youth and a young youth with knowledge and information, I feel that it's our prior duty to educate our younger ones about these things, so that these things cannot be continued in the future.
Okay, so we have seen multiple times that people come back from the hospital dejected and disappointed, and their treatment is not done well. On the same time, if I have to say something, whenever people talk about allopathy, then it has so many side effects, and at the same time the treatment is generally very costly if you compare with the Ayurveda. So it's your turn to speak.
Yes.
Yes, speak.
Sir, I think that people believe in allopathic medicine because it is totally proved, and in Ayurveda medicine, it is all medicine are not proven in a lab, so allopathy is best.
So they are saying that when we talk about Ayurveda, we talk about being healthy from the roots, while allopathy provides only surface treatment. Like if you are having headache, it doesn't solve the problem of headache. It gives you impression that you are not feeling the pain. So it's a kind of false treatment to the person. What would you like to speak about it?
I think that it not.
Okay, give to your partner. How would you handle this situation that allopathy gives a treatment which is not permanent? Means even if you are talking about proven track record, then nothing is finalized. Means still there is no solution for cough and cold in allopathy. This is incurable disease. They only suppress it for some time.
No, actually, there are multiple reasons. Maybe the body is not like that normal, and multiple persons are maybe that the person is infected with other disease as well, and he may take different of medicines. So there may be the chances of reaction of medicines as well, and if you see that a doctor is not cure properly that facing your illness, so the doctor also refer the specialized doctor that you just I'm referring that doctor for proper medicine, and he is specialized on that if you are facing allergies type of issues, so there are multiple specialized doctor on allergies that actually test in different way, and there are multiple there are multiple of technologies and equipments available which actually test your blood, test your skin and your cough as well, and identify what is the exact issue, what are the exact problem in your body, and then it's properly cure if we found exactly the root cause. So the root cause is identified by the test reports, but these proven records or in the terms of value, in terms of result, is not actually available in Ayurveda.
Okay. Let Ayurveda supporters conclude the topic now.
Sir, firstly, I want to counter Sir's point that Ayurveda is not mainstream, and the institution that allopathic based are higher in quantity and are mainstream. The main reason is that our education system is made by a Britisher to inferior our culture. Lord Macaulay has designed the education system in a way, and it is very highly influenced by the Western culture. So it is influenced by Western culture, and it is designed in a way that they show us inferior and make us their servant like people. So
What is the reality? It's a blame. What is the reality?
So they are not they do not describe any Ayurvedic medicine and practices that used to follow in our country, and Ayurveda started from our country, and it is mainstream and mainly used in our country before the Britisher invaded us. But due to the influence of invaders, we are forgetting our
Roots.
original culture, and the allopathic medicines have side effects also. So it is the main reason why I prefer Ayurveda, but we should balance between two of them and focuses on both of them. That
Patient should have multiple options. We have majorly discussed about only two stream of medicine, that is Ayurveda and allopathy. Otherwise, there are dozens of other streams are available, and people should take the facility of these things as per their requirement, as for their choice. And I also think that both have their pros and cons, and as per the disease, as per the situation, people should choose the right type of medicine.
yes, sir.
Thank you for listening to us.